going to need shea butter, aloe vera gel, jojoba oil, avocado oil, argan oil, and optional rosehip seed oil. Shea butter is fat extracted from the nut of the African shea tree. Packed with vitamins A, E, and F, it also has light natural UV protection at about SPF 6. It contains essential fatty acids that are necessary for collagen production. We've all used aloe vera for sunburn because of its amazing qualities to soothe the skin. But there's so much more. It is rich as an antioxidant, vitamin A and C. Jojoba is superfood for your skin. It has bacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, and it keeps your skin moisturized. Avocado oil is strong in beta-carotene, protein, lecithin, fatty acids, and vitamins A, D, and E. Argan oil is pure liquid gold when it comes to skincare. Full of omega fatty acids, vitamin E, and linoleic acids, it hydrates and softens the skin. Rosehip oil is full of essential fatty acids which work wonders in hydrating dry, itchy skin. Let's begin. Take your shea butter and add 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of it into a mixing cup. Half a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Next, take your avocado oil, teaspoon. Take your jojoba oil. One teaspoon. Take your argan oil. 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 drops of argan oil. If you have rosehip seed oil, add 5 drops. And give it a good mix. So once you have it well blended like this, you can go ahead and put in a container. And it's good for 1 week. Apply to your skin.